Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Sudeep Mondol and you are watching the Sledgehammer. In this video, we are going to tell you how to play chess. We will tell the basic moves and rules of this game. So guys, today we are going to know how to play chess. In this video, I will go to tell you the basic moves and the rules of the game. So there are 6 types of pieces. The first one is bishop, and it moves diagonally with its position. That is, if the bishop is here as shown, then the green squares are the possible moves of the bishop. Now, if any piece of its own team is here in the path, then the path will be restricted to the previous step. And if there is a piece of opponent, then it can take the piece away of the board, and the opponent will lose a piece. And here he can move the other places also. And now the next piece is rook. Rook can move as shown. If the rook is in this position as shown, then then these positions will be the possible moves of this rook. Okay. Now, if there is a piece here, then the rook can go up to this position, or he can go here. If there is a rook in this position, then the rook can take the opponent's piece away from the board. Next is knight. Knight is a very interesting one because it can move here, and it does not matter if there is any piece here or here or here. It does not matter. And if there is a piece of the team, then the knight cannot go here. Okay. If there is a piece of opponent, then it can take that. Now queen. If this is a mixture of rook and bishop, and you can see that a queen can go through all the diagonal positions and all the side positions of its position. Okay. Now, if there is a piece of its own team in its path, then the path will be restricted before the position. And if there is opponent piece, then the queen can go and take it away of the board. Now, king. King is the most important piece of the board. King can only move in these positions. Okay. But there is a special if these positions are blocked, then the king cannot move. And if there is an opponent's piece, then the king can take it away of the board. But there is a special move called castling, where the criteria are these two positions will be blank, or if the rook is here, then these three positions will be blank. The four positions, any of the four positions will not be in under attack by opponent's piece, and these two pieces have not moved yet. Okay, then we can move the king and rook like this, and or like this. The both are possible. Here the four positions and here the five positions. Okay, now pawn is very typical piece of the board. If pawn is in this position, then it can go one or two positions forward, but if there is these positions are blocked by enemy piece or teammates piece, then you cannot let it go to the position. Okay, and the path will be restricted. And if the just diagonal positions are adjacent diagonal positions are covered by enemy pieces, then the pawn can attack it and take it away of the board. If the pawn are not in this line, in this layer, then it can move only one square forward. If there is enemy pieces, then it can attack it and take it away of the board. If the pawn is here and goes here, this line, if the pawn reaches this line, then it must be replaced with one of these four pieces. Okay, now the motive of the game is to make the king safer. Okay, now in this position the king is being attacked by the queen, so we have to let it go side, or we must have to take another piece to block the queen, or you must do something that the queen get out of the board. Now if in this position you can see that the king cannot move yet, so this will end of the game, and this will be called checkmate. If these positions, consider this position, that the king has not checked, but it has no move, it cannot go here, then it will be declared as a draw. So if you have to win, then you have to attack the king. Attacking the king is called check in this game. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to this